In this video, we will see step by step how we can download any free MT5 robot from MQL5 Marketplace into our MT5 terminal. Step by step, all details are in this video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. You are watching Trading Board Lab and I am your host Abdul. So first of all, to download any robot from MQL5 Marketplace into our MT5 terminal, we need to have account on MQL5 Marketplace website. So let's move to my screen, and here you can see I will go to browser and open MQL5.com. I already have registered, but if I log out, and let me show you the process. Here is a button to create an account on the top right corner. Here you will log in and email. I will recommend to set a login and email. Don't log in with the Google, because when we need to download a robot from MQL5 to MT5, we need to have this login and password to put on MT5 terminal on our laptop or maybe on our VPS. So let me put here Trading Board Lab, and here the email. Here you see an error. This login already exists. This means I already registered with this name and you need to make it unique. So if I put 1, this means now it is a unique. So you need to put a unique name and then put your email and then register. When you click on the register, the password will be sent to your email and then you can use that password to log in. Simply now I will move to the login page. On the login page, I already have login. You can simply put the username, the same username you set at the time of registration, and the password you received on your email address. Here click on login. So successfully we logged in, and here my profile and everything. Now we will move to the market, and from here we can choose any robot we want to move, but right now we are focusing on only the free robots. So let's click on the see all, and here the free. I am in the MT5 section. Here on the top you can see in the URL the MT5 and free, and here are a lot of free trading boards, and there are total 60 pages right now, and on every page there are a lot of boards. This means there are huge number of boards available on MQL5 Marketplace free of cost. Let's suppose I want to download this board, the Trend Catcher MT5, and here I see the description and many things related to this boards. The developer of this board publish a video, screenshots and results and many other explanations. You can watch the video and also you can read this description, and after that you can decide to use or to download this board or not. Here 124 number of reviews, comments, and there are a lot of things. So let's suppose right now I am satisfied with the Trend Catcher with Alert MT5 this board. Once I selected a board after creating an account on MQL5, I will move to the MT5 terminal on my laptop. So I will open MT5 here. It is opening right now. Okay, so it's open. Great. Once you open this MT5 terminal, you need to log into your trading account, and I hope you are already logged in to your trading account. Here in the trading in this account section, here right click here, log into trade account, and here, or if you are not able to find your server, you can simply click on here, open an account and search for your server here. Let's suppose IC Market, MetaTrader. So there are a lot of broker right now. Okay, after login to your MT5 account, move here on the top right corner. Here you will see an icon to log in. Also you can create account here, but you need to follow the way I told you. That is easy to follow and that will be without any problem. So here in the login section, simply you need to put the trading board like this is my username and the password that is I received on my other email. Let me check, and boom, that's it. I logged in successfully. After that, I need to go to the tools and open the MQL5 Marketplace here, or simply you can click on this icon. Here you will see a list of all robots of MT5. So I need Expert Advisor and the free. Now you need to have the name, exact name of the bot you have selected on the MQL5 Marketplace. So if I move here, the name is Trend Catcher with Alert MT5, and from here I will select Trend Catcher. Oh, what is going on the website? Oh, it's not a robot, and this is the indicator. Here you can see its indicator. I need to move into MT5 free, and again select here the expert advisor. Okay, so why I face this problem that I select a robot on MQL5 marketplace, but I was not able to find that robot on MT5 terminal. Okay, so the problem was here on MQL5 I selected an indicator, not a robot. So it is very important. The robot is something else, the indicator is something else. Okay, after selecting the expert advisors of MT5 and now click on free, from this list is the expert advisors list. Okay, and here in the moving average basic crossover, let's suppose I select this EA and moving average basic cross. Here you can see the description, the screenshots, and there are many things. Okay, few reviews, this bot, and let's go to MT5 moving average basic cross, go to MT5 first free, and here moving average cross. And if you not find here, you can select here moving average basic, and here you will find. Okay, so by this way you can write the name and you can find. Simply click on the download. That's it. Here will be the progress bar on the top right corner. This robot is installed in my MT5 terminal. Okay, so now simply I need to right click here. Before going to live trading, I will simply test it in the strategy tester on multiple pairs. In the next video, I will present you how we can optimize the robot for profits. Now we have downloaded the robot from MQL5 marketplace into our terminal, and now in the next step we need to put it on our chart. Let me open a chart of Euro USD, and simply I will right click and attach to chart. That's it. Here I will select allow algo trading, allow modification of settings and signals, and here I will set the input settings which I want to use. Okay, so if I want to use this default setting, simply I will press OK. But if I don't want to use the default and I have another set file which is highly optimized for the Euro USD to reduce the drawdown for a big profit, so I will simply click on the load and select the set file with the extension .set. And now the question is how you can get the optimized input settings. You can contact me on my Telegram. I will provide you free of cost. Here on Trading Bot Lab, I provide the free input settings to all my community members. You can also one of them. You can use the free report, the free input settings, and make money for free. So now if you have a set file from me, you download from your WhatsApp or any other channel, like or maybe from my website, you may have the file in the download folder. You can simply select, but I have all the optimized settings here. All these reports are optimized, and let me open it and simply click it. The settings will be loaded, all these values will be changed, and after that simply click OK, and that's it. You have successfully downloaded a report from MQL5 to your MT5 terminal and put that bot on your live chart for trading. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Bye.